I want to get a run in. Yo, that thing, I'm about to get bro. What happened?
You got a YouTube?
Something like that. Wait, what's done to that?
A little bit of stuff.
What's a little bit of stuff? This is just the exhaust right now.
Really? I mean, I have a tune.
Tune?
Yeah.
I see that intercooler on the front.
I got pretty much all the bolt-ons besides the turbo.
Okay, so full bolt, what, E30? E93. Oh, Stancy_J. All right, bet. Appreciate you, man. God bless. FK8. Everything but a bigger turbo. Not sure what that means, but I got my cheeks clapped.
I beg your pardon?